Okay, so we're working on adding conditions to keep the sprite from going off the screen here. And we wrote one for checking the X position. So we need to do something similar for the Y position. So let's see, let's just duplicate this. And instead of X position, we want to look at the Y position. So let's go down there. Y position, and let's see what values we want to check here. So here it looks like Y is about at 98, and here, oh, Y is minus 164. So let's say like between maybe minus 155. We're giving ourselves a little extra room here. Minus 155 and, I don't know, and 90, say. Oh, can I get in there? What do I have to do here? Get rid of that. And let's, oh, here, 90. Okay. So let's see what happens with that. Reset, go. Okay, so I'm not seeing the crazy flipping back and forth. So it looks like this is a decent way to go. So the next thing to look at is then how do we do something like this with Greenfoot. Let me see if I can get the some more room here so we can look at the code better. Okay, so, oops, what was something behind here? I don't need this. Okay, so this is the chunk that we want to focus on, these if conditions, and let's see how that plays out in Greenfoot. So what were the pieces we have? So we had, we're checking the X position. So the way that we checked the X position in Scratch was we said if the X position is less than minus 165 or the X position is greater than, less than minus 165 or greater than 165. So the way that we check the X position in Greenfoot is with get X. Okay, so we're going to have to, let's see. So let's get our if statement started. So we're going to have if, we're going to have some condition, and then we're going to have some block. And what we're using for the turn is turn 180 degrees. So we can stick that in. Oops. Turn 180 degrees. And so now we have to figure out how to fill in this condition with something like what we have here. So we're going to have two if conditions, one for the X, one for the Y. And we're going to have to figure out how to fill these guys, fill in the condition piece, and we'll do that in the next video.